Hey guys, welcome back to Tech Phantom. And in today's video, we'll be taking a deep look inside the all-new upcoming Motorola smartphone, and it's the Motorola Moto G62 5G smartphone. Now, this is a budget-friendly smartphone from Motorola. Now, before getting into deeper, if you're new here, then do consider subscribing to our channel Tech Phantom and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update from us. So now that I've done that, let's get started. First of all, with the display. The smartphone will be coming with a 6.5 inch of a full HD plus display and with a high refresh rate of 120Hz. And the processor at the heart of this phone is indeed a decent one at the under 50,000 rupees smartphone which we generally used to see. And it's the Snapdragon 480 5G processor. Now, not only that, it's a budget entry smartphone from Motorola in a 5G segment. And the triple camera setup is a 50 megapixel of primary camera, 8 megapixel of an ultra wide, and 2 megapixel of depth sensor. The front camera is indeed a punch hole cutout in a 16 megapixel form, and you also get an Android 12 out of the box in this smartphone. Now, considering this is a mid-range smartphone from Motorola, we can expect one or maximum of 2 Android upgrades in this smartphone. Next thing which we are going to talk about is the battery capacity, and the smartphone will be coming with the 5000 milliamp battery, and not only that, it will be coming with 20 watts of fast charging inside the box. Now, but do we even consider 20 watts of fast charging as of the lately standards set by the Xiaomi, Realme and Oppo smartphones, such as they are going towards 80 watts of fast charging, 120 watts of fast charging in the smartphones under 20 to 25,000 rupees. So that's a question for another day. But the price of this smartphone is being at 300 euros, which can convert your pricing in India to the phone can be expected to be launched around at 24,000 rupees by conversion, which is again insane. We are not sure about the 100% surety about the price tag of the Moto G62 5G smartphone, but we can expect this smartphone, according to specifications, that this smartphone would be launching under 20,000 rupees. So are you planning to buy the new smartphone under 25,000 rupees? Check out the link in the description below, and also consider subscribing to our channel Tech Phantom if you also want to buy a new smartwatch under 5,000 rupees. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the very next one.